How to mix 50:1 for your Stihl or Husky machines. You're going to need 5 liters of fuel and 100 milliliters of two-stroke. You can either use it like this and measure it off 100 mils in here. It says very nicely here according to how many liters you use. Or if you buy one of these bottles, you can use this. It's 100 mils on 5 liters of fuel. I'm quickly going to show you. I'm going to use these because I want to test it. It says HP Super Low Smoke. So it's going to be interesting to test it and see if it is lower smoking than the previous bottle I mixed like this. I still have some of this left. I'm going to make a test on the channel so we can compare them. I have fuel with this in, and then we'll mix this low smoke version. The video is sponsored by HIPA. They supplied the channel with some cool carburetors. They sell air filters, fuel hoses, replacement carburetors, everything. I'll link their website link in the description of the video, so you can go and check them out. So we are going to measure in 100 milliliters. You just squeeze it until it's up to the 100 ml mark. I like to add a little bit extra always. And then you can just add it to your tank. Always make sure your tank is 5 liters, otherwise the mix is going to be out. And it is dangerous for your machine to run lean on oil. And the 100 mils will be in there if it's upside down, because it creates a vacuum in the bottle. So everything you measured off, it's in there. Before you use the machine or use the fuel in your machine, make sure to shake it decently so that two-stroke mixes with the fuel and you get a decent all-around consistency, and you can run this in any of your 50:1 machines. Almost every Stihl I know runs on 50:1. My Husky string trimmer runs on 50:1. You can use Husky oil as well. I stick to the Stihl because I have the most Stihl machines. So that's how you mix 50:1. Check the link in the description. If you need any replacement parts, these are high quality, decent replacement parts. And they almost look like Stihl and Husky original parts. Thanks for watching.